Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two grooming giants. In the left corner, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, and in the right corner, we have the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400. It's going to be a close shave, folks, so grab your popcorn and let's dive in. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades come in at a cool $34, while the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 asks for $39. So, if you're counting your pennies, the OneBlade replacement blades might give you a little extra cash for that fancy coffee you love. The OneBlade replacement blades offer 3 blades that last up to 12 months. That's like having your own personal barber for a year. On the other hand, the Shaver 2400 boasts ComfortCut blades with rounded caps that gently cut hair just above the skin level, giving you a clean and comfortable shave. It's like a spa day for your face. The OneBlade replacement blades can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your grooming routine. But wait, the Shaver 2400 has 4D flex heads that move independently in 4 directions to adjust to the curves of your face, neck, and jawline. It's like having a personal assistant who knows all your angles. The OneBlade replacement blades can be used dry or wet with foam, even in the shower. So, if you're a multitasker or just love the feeling of a hot shower shave, this one's for you. On the flip side, the Shaver 2400 offers up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime, which means you can shave on the go without worrying about running out of power. Talk about flexibility. The OneBlade replacement blades come with a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your skin. It's like a little guardian angel for your face. And if you're a savvy shopper, you can even save up to 15% with the subscribe and save option. On the other hand, the Shaver 2400 comes with a pop-up trimmer for mustache and sideburns. It's like having your own personal stylist right in your bathroom. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades have been highly recommended for their longevity, ease of replacement, and consistent performance. They offer a smooth and close shave and are cost-effective in the long run. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 has been praised for its easy maintenance, affordability, and convenience. It provides a close and comfortable shave. Well, folks, it's time to wrap up this grooming showdown. Both the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades and the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 have their unique perks. It all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember, being a smart shopper means making an informed decision based on what suits you best. We hope this comparison helped you in your quest for the perfect grooming tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.